Assalamu alaikum students, and welcome to EP6 Virtual School. How are you? I hope you all are fine. I am Sadaf Irfan from APS Sargodha Kent. I teach English in class 2. Cambridge Global English 2 Learner Book Pages 40-41 Unit 3 Ready, Steady, Go. Lesson 1 Think about it. Resources which are required for the video, laptop, smartphone, Learner's Book 2. In this lesson, students will listen and read a poem, read and identify key vocabulary. They also revise singular plurals, imperatives, adverbs slowly and quickly. Objectives: students will be able to practice theme vocabulary, revise singular plural, practice body movements, give and follow the instructions. Previous knowledge. Students, do you know what is verb? Yes, verb is an action word. For example, run, walk, eat, sleep, drink, clap, jump, wiggle, nod, talk, walk, flap, etc., etc. Ways in which we can move. Dear students, you know that you can move in so many ways by using your body parts. For example, touch your hand. Okay, all of you, touch your hand. Do that movement by using your body parts. Bend your knees, flap your arms, nod your head up and down, cross your legs, wave your hands, hop on your one leg, bend to right and bend to left, and so many other movements. You know that these body movements keep us healthy and fit. Students, you can see the exercise number 1 on Learner's Book, page 40. Read and listen. Now you can see the poem over there, Read for the Sky. Now I am going to read the poem and you will do the actions. And you have to point out the children in the picture who are doing the action. Clap your hands, touch your toes, turn around, put your finger on your nose, flap your arms, jump up high, wiggle your fingers and reach for the sky. Once again I am reading. Clap your hands, touch your nose, turn around, put your finger on your nose, flap your arms, jump up high, wiggle your fingers and reach for the sky. Students, now let's revise the singular and plural nouns with body parts. You all know that singular means one and plural means more than one. Now, let's start. Hand, hands, toe, toes, finger, fingers, arm, arms, leg, legs, ear, ears, eye, eyes, etc., etc.